Also following breaking news of the manhunt going on right now in Detroit to find the suspect wanted for a deadly beating on Detroit's west side.
Monday night, police are looking for this man, 23-year-old Lawrence James Davis. Detroit police say he attacked 24-year-old Tyler Wingate early Monday morning around 1:50 at this Pure gas station at the intersection of West Davison and Livernois on Detroit's west side. Police say this all happened after a car accident between the two. Witnesses say after the crash, Wingate got out of his 2011 Buick Regal when he was attacked. Local 4 obtained surveillance video from the gas station. You can see Davis walking up to Wingate and punch him. You then see Wingate fall to the ground.
Was driving without a license and made an improper driving maneuver, traveling into oncoming traffic. At that point, the defendant and the victim in this case had a traffic accident. Under all accounts, the defendant gets out of the vehicle irate, angry, and ready to start a fight. He goes up to the victim in this case and punches the victim, who goes to the ground. At that point in time, the defendant begins to search the victim's pockets, looking for some items. The victim is able to get back up. You're able to see, Judge, that the victim is defenseless, woozy, unarmed, acting very calmly, and at that point in time, the defendant continues to brutally assault the victim in this case. The victim's on the ground, unconscious, laying there, but that's not enough for the defendant. The defendant comes back up and kicks the victim in the head and flees. Now, this court is dealing with the issue of bond. And as this court knows, there are several things to consider with regards to bond under MCR 6.106F. The points that I want to bring the court to focus on are first that the flight or avoiding prosecution, the likelihood of this defendant to return. Now, the defendant in this case, the officers have been searching for some time now, trying to apprehend.
Ma'am, the charge is homicide, open murder.
That's correct.
And as you know, because of the nature of the charge, ma'am, there's not going to be any bond.
Really?
Because of the likelihood of flight, because for the protection of the community in this particular matter. Do you have any prior criminal history, ma'am?
No.
Okay.
We looked into his juvenile court records also, and at the age of 14, Lawrence Davis was charged with assault with hitting a school officer with a closed fist. And at the age of 15, he was charged with attempted murder. His aunt says his issues are mental health.
First of all, I want to give condolence to the family and to let you guys know that he didn't mean this.
She's an aunt of Lawrence Davis, and she doesn't want us to show her face. And earlier today, she made this plea for her 23-year-old nephew to turn himself in.
Lawrence, I love you. We all love you. We all know it was a mistake. All we need you to do is just turn yourself in, because we don't want nothing danger to happen to you.
She says she wants people to know that her nephew is a troubled man with mental health issues. She gave us these papers that indicate when he was 15 years old, he was diagnosed with having a psychotic disorder. He was also abusing alcohol and marijuana. His aunt says this was after his mother died, and at 15, he was also charged with attempted murder.
Lawrence went to jail for something that he didn't do.
Which was shooting someone.
Shooting someone when he was 15. He did do time. He did do time for, like I said, something that he did not do.
But according to juvenile court records, in that shooting case, Lawrence Davis took a plea to assault with intent to do great bodily harm. And now at 23, he's facing a charge of open murder that, if convicted, could send him to prison for life.
Sorry for their loss. That young man probably didn't deserve it either. But mistakes happens.
Wingate died after police say Davis gave Wingate a final kick to his head.
Sorry for the family loss.
Outside of court this afternoon, I caught up with Davis's aunt.
We're sorry for their loss. He didn't mean to do that. Mistakes happen.